Oh, you have the visor.
Oh, see the man in there.
Wow, yes, guys, we are heading up into Buddha Mountain. There goes the Buddha on the side. I don't know. I'm gonna go up a little bit more. They put the Buddha on the side and it lit up. Yes, it light up. Yes, when it's the king's birthday, or New Year's Day, or some other day, it does lit up. Let me go up and see the monk. Oh, there they are. We haven't seen any monks so far, but here they are. There's a couple monks, like 5. Yes, guys, this is Buddha Mountain. Let me get a clearer clip. I'm trying to go right up in front so you guys can see. Wow. Let me go up further. Up more. Wow, this is almost kind of in front the Buddha. It's like uphill, so I have to be going uphill. Buddha Mountain, the famous mountain. It's the Buddha Mountain. Buddha is very popular in this country, and it's a symbol. It represents their country. Wow. Buddha is all over. You can't get enough of this Buddha. Look at it. It light up when it's the king's birthday. Wow, very nice. Wow, and New Year's Day. I think Christmas. I don't know if they celebrate Christmas. I have to find out which other day. But here goes the Buddha. Buddha Mountain. Yeah, man, see? All around. The great picture of the Buddha. Wow. This mountain side look very nice. As you can see, they have some beautiful flowers. Yeah, this is at top of the hill. Yeah, I'm on top of the hill. So now I'm right in front the Buddha, guys. Yes, I'm right in front of it. Woo. Don't want that water wet me. Great. Buddha Mountain. I heard of Buddha Mountain. My sister keep telling me about Buddha Mountain. But this is it. Wow. That great big Buddha. She's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the earrings. And I love they carve her here up in one. Nice, great carving, great work. Yes. Guys, I don't know what the writing is saying. This water is... But guys, look at it. Ooh.
1 month ago, yeah.
Look at the place. It's beautiful.
Oh, 1 year. 1 year. Thailand is 1 year. People VIP, yeah. Queen Mom, the King, the Queen.
I'm on the umbrella here.
Yeah. Yes, of course, yeah.
Yes, guys, and look at the outfit. Outfit of the day. Love my Thailand shirt. Yeah, man. Great. I'm waiting for my sister to come up to show, so we can get some pictures and stuff.
Oh, was built at 28 years ago. Yeah. 1993, yeah. 1993 was built, yeah.
1990
And the
what?
material is made of the ceramic, yeah. Ceramic, yeah. And not new wood.
Wow. The tour guide said 23 years ago it was built.
We have the neon light.
You know.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. I can't get over how nice this is
185
carved.
meters from the ground to
Oh
the top,
my
yeah.
God.
185 meters.
Carved
And
so
70
nice.
meters wide.
I can see the wire running towards the Buddha. That's what gives the light, you know? Yeah, man. The wire run from over there and come up here, give the light. Wow, look at that side of the mountain. Wow. And when you said it lit up?
Yeah.
When it lit up? It
Ah.
light up? New Year's Day? And the
On New
King-
Year's Day, Buddhist Day, and King birthday.
Yeah. Buddhist Day too. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, it lit up Buddhist Day. That means the day that they celebrate for the Buddha. It lit up also. Great. I love how her hand rests. Yeah, in her lap, on her lap. You see how the architect put her hand, that's it rests on her lap. I like that, and I love how the other hand just go down. It's great, 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 great. Wow. Yeah, some flags here and stuff like that. Here come my sister coming up. It's hot. You want under my umbrella?
Umbrella? Yeah. No.
It's hot.
When I go down, I want to run quick in the souvenirs. They have a booth.
Ooh.
Okay, everyone. Yeah. We're very hot. Yeah.
You want me to catch you? Hey!
There. Do you mind taking a picture for me?
She needed a picture.
Thank you.
Thank my sister for taking picture of me and the Buddha. And you guys. Yeah, man. We're gonna go check out some souvenirs and stuff. So I'll catch you guys later.